The API Challenges has a simulator. The simulator is there to help you get used to APIs without worrying that you're going to break something or you need to understand fully what all the API commands are, and you can just practice. So what we have in the simulation is a complete walkthrough of what you have to do with this API. So step 1, get all the entities in the API, which means we're going to issue a GET request on this particular call. Now you could do that in an API client. You could do that from curl by copying this request. You could do it from wget. You can also do it in the browser. And this is just a way of getting used to API requests and seeing what they do. A GET request will retrieve information. So if I execute this GET request to get all the entities, I'm going to see all the entities in the application from JSON. I haven't had to install anything here. I can install a REST client and make this request through it. I can do it through curl. I can use wget. We're trying to make it as easy as possible to get started with API testing and automating. So as you go through the walkthrough in the simulator will say, well, we've got all the entities. What we can do now is we can get a single entity by putting the ID on the end. So we would get entities where the ID is 1. Let me try that in the browser now, and we get number 1. Now, if you go through the entire simulator walkthrough, you can make the requests in the browser. Then, if you want to, you can experiment with the requests from a command line tool like curl or wget if you've got them installed on your machine, or you can install a REST client and start making these requests. Simple, small steps to get used to making API requests and interacting with the API. Then once you've walked through the simulator, you've got your tools working, you know that your tools work, you can then go off and play with the simple API, which allows you to amend data, get data back, or work through the API challenges. But the API simulator is a really good place to start because it has a walkthrough of what you want to do. So get started by going off to apichallenges.eviltester.com, and you can make all these requests in the browser without installing anything and start learning how API testing works.